I've got two different products here for my countertop. It's wood countertop treated with OSMO. It's got some stains on it, as you can see. And so I'm going to be trying out using this liquid wax cleaner, which is for heavier stains. And normally we'd use just washing care for everyday care, but these are not coming out with it, so I'm gonna give it a try, see how it turns out. This is how it looks coming out of the can. It's kind of a gloopy. I'm just gonna pour some on there. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna use this Scotch-Brite pad to kind of scrub at it. This big stain right here. Try it over here too. One got a glove, so I could feel it kind of affecting my hand a little bit, so I want to get one of these. I also let it set for a little bit. You can see after quite a bit of scrubbing there was like a big black dot. It's down to that. This spot over here is still pretty bad. There's a little water ring up here. I'm going to see if I can get those out. Let's take a little bit of scrubbing, but I'll keep going. Well, I got this far by hand. I was able to get out one of them. There's still some discoloration in this wax ring, water ring is still there. And then this, I was able to get most of it out by hand, but decided to rig up my hand sander with a pad just because it's just taking too long. So I'll see if this can speed up the process. Well, I think the hand sander made a big difference. I was able to get most of that out with just one pass. This water spot up here, much decreased. Staining right here is coming off. So yeah, I think the hand sanding is possible if you got a small problem, but if you're dealing with heavy water stains and things like this on this countertop, definitely recommend using a buffer or rig up your hand sander. Speeds up the process.